This is Brickhead Boy, and that is not a brick toy. That is a radio-controlled dump truck I got in China last month, and it arrived, so let's check it out. And here's the back of the box. It says, powerful truck, the best gives for the children. Show some functions here, lights, looks like you have accessories, bucket can go up and down. You got your cheap PlayStation remote, and here it says the car bucket will slowly up and down, And here's the bottom of the box. It shows just the diagram of the radio control, your functions for the controller, and it says here, made in China. Let's open it up. And here it is opened up. You have a nice looking dump truck. I like the look of it a lot. Your controller, you have batteries, it comes with rechargeables, and mine came with a transformer. There's the AC adapter, and your accessories. A little too cartoony. Doesn't really match the look of the truck. So let's take it out for a test. So the handling was pretty light on this thing. It's a very light truck, so it goes really fast. Only problem is in tile and hardwood floor, it tends to slip. So tires are kind of like a hard rubber. Now, one flaw I found with this thing is you cannot turn off the music or the noise. So once you turn it on, it just constantly goes and goes on and on. And there's no scale listed on this, so I would assume it's probably a 132 scale. So there you have it. The engineering construction truck. This is Brickhead Boy, even though that's not a brick. Thanks for watching.